if you have a deer problem, you typically will know because you might see them eating your plants, or also they are going to eat the easy to get to plants.
You'll be able to see their footprints, their hooves. One of the simplest things in which you can do is simply just purchase a bottle of Deer Defeat from deerdefeat.com using coupon code RADIO to save 10% off your order. That's deerdefeat.com. We have numerous listeners that swear up and down by the product. It works. That's why we have them as a sponsor. It's not a gimmick, and that's why we're not wasting our time with them, and they're not wasting their time with you and all this other stuff. The product works, and that's why people get it. You spray it on your plants. You don't want to spray it on your fruiting plants. You want to spray it around the perimeter based on the time of year. Rain, snow, sleet, freeze, 30 days it'll last. It will smell for the first 30 minutes to humans, but it will not smell anymore after that to humans, but it will smell to the animals. It will repel not only deer, but rabbit and groundhog as well. So it's a product that's universal, got a lot of different options there, and if you got problems, that's the answer there.
Yeah, people definitely swear by it. So aside from
not an info commercial, we're just telling you the truth
right.
here.
Aside from Deer Defeat, if you do have deer and maybe you want to try, you're like, I want to build a fence anyway. You want to make sure that fence is going to be above 6 feet tall, or you could do something where a lot of people will take fishing line. They might have a shorter garden fence for rabbits or whatever. And then they'll put posts up on each corner and then draw a fishing line, just probably every foot or so. And then when the deer try to get to the garden, they bump their noses on the fishing line. They don't know what that is. It spooks them. They go somewhere else.